Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use the Pirot Patch. I have some knockdown ceiling that got damaged, so I found this Pirot Patch on Amazon. So I will try to fix my area that got damaged with it. Per instructions, it says to tape it to the ceiling. Well, mine is not working correctly. It doesn't want to stay there. And I have this weird angle, so I can't even use the whole entire patch. So I halfway taped it, and then I will just hold it with my hand while I'm putting on spackling compound. This patch only comes in one size and my area is bigger, so once I'm finished with this part, I will move it over and repeat the same process until all my area is covered. Now that I'm done with the area, I will wait until it's all dry and then we'll finish it off. As you can see, the area that I fixed has dried, but now it looks very rough compared to the other areas. So I'm going to sand it. I have a sand block. And I'm just going to smooth down the edges so it blends in a little bit better. Once it's all sanded down, we are ready to paint. This is the last step in this process. My Pirot Patch design is smaller than the one on my ceiling, but I think after it's painted, you cannot tell the difference unless you look very closely, which no one looks at the ceiling that closely. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.